new update. I've temporarily plugged some of the exhaust leaks to quiet it down a bit. Did a little bit of tuning, did a little bit of timing adjustments, and we had quite a bit of rain. I had to put a tarp over it because I got the door pulled apart. The door handle was broken and I needed to pull everything apart to replace the handle. Anyways, thought I'd record how it sounds now. Key is still stuck, so that's going to be unplug it to shut it off again. Starts up nice and easy. Tack's still broken. A minute ago the oil pressure started magically working, but it's stopped working again. Probably a loose wire somewhere. Anyways, got the carburetors tuned. It was idling pretty lopey, like it's got a cam. I added some fuel to try and smooth it out, but it still sounds like it's camming. Get some good sounds of the exhaust for you.